for those super blue Smurfs. And if you don't know what spelunking means, then I better tell you. It means cave exploring. And today we meet Spelunking Smurf.
En onthou, moet nooit alleen in 'n grot ingaan nie.
Long, long ago, deep in the forest, there was a hidden village where tiny creatures lived. They called themselves Smurfs. They were good.
We have some great new breakfast entertainment lined up for the youngsters on KTV. Each Saturday from February the 2nd at 7 a.m, 3 British favourites. Postman Pat, a friendly fellow who enjoys his work and chatting to the folk of Greendale Village. Charlie Chalk is a happy-go-lucky clown who can solve any problem along with his delightful animal friends. And the zany adventures of Rick, who can appear as anything, from caveman to spaceman. Youngsters will delight in these new animated series. Catch them all on your channel of friends each Saturday.
Kom ons leer saam, Maas. Ons het nou gesien hoe die Smurfs in grotte ingaan. Maar asseblief, Maas, moenie alleen in 'n grot ingaan nie. Julle kan so maklik verdwaal.
And we've been promising that you'd be able to watch those terrific gummy bears right here on KTV. And here they are. And all I can say is, enjoy it, guys.
Dashing and daring, courageous and
Time to talk back to our friends, and this one comes from Zolfa. Zolfa lives in Rurikons. Well, hope that all your wishes come true, and I see that you wish the old shows would come back. Well, Wowzer's back, so I hope that's cheered you up.
And from letters to our message of the day. And our caller is Candice from Cape Town. Let's hear what she's got to say.
Come from Cape Town, and I'd just like to say that I love KTV, and I've never phoned before, but I like phoning in and telling all the KTV kids that how much I love KTV, and I want to tell all the other KTV kids out there that KTV is the most wonderful series of programs I've ever seen. Thank you.
Very unusual name you've got there, Candice. Thanks very much for calling in, and just stay a KTV fan.
Friends, it's great to hear from you. And please remember that Kelly the Clown is on the machine. And when he says the beep is coming up, then you start your message. And please remember also to speak very clearly so we can hear you. Leave your name, where you stay, and a short message.
Dankie Candy, en onthou ons tolvrye nommer is 0800 122 345 en die lyn is ook tussen 4 en 5 op donderdag en vrydag middag.
En nou sit Monchichi te beurt.
way up in the trees lived a Monchichi. They loved to
The KTV kids are dressed by Woolworths.
More
Ons onthou, Mnet het wonderlike nuwe program in Februarie. So moenie Pugwall en Strangers misloop nie.
Well, from great news to that great guy Rambo, let's all join in the action.
Rambo. Anywhere and everywhere, the savvy...
Maat onthou, Februarie is vriendskapmaand, so maak seker dat julle baie goed is vir julle vriende. And from friends to Dennis, and in today's episode, Ruff has destroyed his kennel, so the gang gets together to design the most modern kennel for him. The only problem is Ruff doesn't like it, so let's see what he does.
This program is brought to you on KTV Today by Reggie's. We love Reggie's. Reggie's, giving joy to a child. This program was brought to you on KTV Today by Reggie's. We love Reggie's. Reggie's, giving joy to a child.
Have a heart.
It's Valentine's Day!
And the place to be seen is CNA.
And the heart specialists get it going for you.
With cards and goodies.
Bill and Coo.
A Hallmark card will steal a heart.
Cupid's awaiting with his dart.
His bow, his arrow, his love overflows.
Giving cards for special occasions, like Valentine's Day tomorrow, is a tradition dating back 150 years.
Yesterday we spoke about how much time and effort goes into producing a single greeting card.
It takes as many as 95 working days to produce one card, which is probably why when a design is proved extremely popular, it is produced over and over again.
This 1939 design has been the best seller ever. The message may change, but the design remains the same.
And can you believe that 7 billion cards are sold every year, with Hallmark, the world's largest producer, making 11 million of them every day?
Early cards were concerned with special occasions like birthdays, Valentine's Days, Easter, Father's Day, Mother's Day.
I was hoping you'd come looking for me.
Serious card.
It's a Hallmark.
Hallmark has 1,690 different ways to say happy birthday, and one of them is your way.
You never said this to me before.
Hey, what a card can say for you.
I'm gonna keep this forever.
Hear what a Hallmark card can do.
Mother's Day dates back to ancient Greece, when they celebrated with a spring festival as a tribute to Cybele, mother of the gods.
The Romans adopted the custom around 250 BC with a 3-day festival of dancing and feasting at the beginning of spring.
It was only in 1914 that Mother's Day, as we know it today, became official to be celebrated on the second Sunday of each May.
Later, more special cards were being added to the range of cards being made like Get Well cards, Good Luck cards, births, and birthdays.
Card manufacturers were now extremely busy selling cards which sold throughout the year rather than seasonally like they had done before.
The history of greeting cards from Hallmark continues here on KTV tomorrow.
Have a heart.
It's Valentine's Day.
And the place to be seen is CNA.
And the heart specialists get it going for you.
With cards and goodies.
Bill and Coo.
A Hallmark card will steal a heart.
Cupid's waiting with his dart.
His bow, his arrow, his love overflows.
KTV!
Do you want to get rich quick? Well, Mayhem has found the most fantastic antlers that can find gold. But I'm sure you'd rather be on the mask team, so let's join them and see how they're involved in this one.
There's a colourful lineup of tales on Mnet this Easter. Bugs Bunny and Daffy Duck will delight the youngsters in 1001 Rabbit Tales at 8:30 a.m. on Good Friday. Little David's adventure in Kingdom Chums follows at 10:30. Children of all ages will learn the values of courage, love, joy and loyalty in this award-winning musical creation. An animated Easter special, Sunshine Porcupine, is at 11:30 and a 1-hour Eco Boffin special is scheduled for 4 p.m. On Family Day, April the 1st, children can enjoy some adorable baby animals and discover the 10 Commandments in a fully animated musical adventure. Kingdom Chums Original Top 10. Colourful tales indeed. Don't miss them on Mnet.
Maar ek het 'n gunsteling program op KTV. Die ster is 'n wit hond wat jou maak lag.
That means it's wowza time, so let's join in.
Oh! Wow, wow, wow! It's wowza! Disney Movie Tunes presents the first big-screen DuckTales movie. Your favorite heroes have found a new friend. And they're taking off for fantastic adventure and fun. DuckTales the movie, Treasure of the Lost Land.
Cross the street at the pedestrian crossing. Wat is die volgende program?
Wel, dis my gunsteling, dis die Gummy Bears.
Dashing and daring, courageous and faithful and friendly.
And now,
Way up in the trees live the Monchhichis. They love to laugh and play.
Are you a budding artist under the age of 18? Enter the General Accident KTV Road Safety Competition. Your artwork could be shown on KTV and printed in next year's Road Safety Calendar. And there are fabulous prizes to be won. 2,000 Rand cash, color TVs, radio tape decks, image decoders and educational games. Plus, the first prize winner's family gets 1 year's free car insurance. What's KTV for road safety hints? Decide which one you feel is the most important. Then draw or paint a picture describing your choice. Entry forms are available in the Sunday Times, Hastenoord, and the March Mnet program guide.
The KTV kids are dressed by Woolworths.